In this video, I'm going to show you how to change out an old decoder for a new decoder and reassign the existing stations to the new decoder in the CalSense CS3000 controller. In this process, there's basically 3 steps. First, you have to discover the new decoder. Then you have to remove the old decoder. And then finally, you can assign the stations that were previously assigned to the old decoder to the new decoder. It's important that they be done in that order. Otherwise, the station numbers will not be available to be assigned to the new decoders. Okay, let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is go down to Setup, over to 2-wire, select, and I want to show you the currently discovered decoders. So I'm going to go to Assign Stations to Decoders. And as you can see, I have 3 decoders currently discovered on this controller: 1524, 26442, and 2988. And the decoders have been assigned stations in numerical order. 1524 is stations T1 and T2. 26442 is T3 and T4. And 29288 is T5 and T6. Okay, so what I've done, I've removed decoder 26442 and replaced it with decoder 29809 on the 2-wire cable. And that's important. You have to remove the old decoder and replace it with a new decoder before you start this process. So once we've done that, we're going to go to Assign Discovered Decoders connected to this box. Press Select, and the controller is going to go out and find the 3 new decoders. This does take a little bit of time, a couple minutes. Now, once it's done and it's found all 3 decoders, we'll go back to the menu. And now you see we have a new selection on this menu: Unlink Orphan 2-wire stations. So if we look at our Assign, you can now see that decoder 26442 is gone, and decoder 29809 has been added. So what I need to do is I need to unlink Orphan, the other decoder, the 26442, so that stations T3 and T4 will be available to assign to the new decoder. So I simply highlight each one, press Select, and it disappears. And again, press Select, and it's gone. So now we'll hit the back button to get back to our other menu where we can assign stations to discovered decoders. And you'll notice that the Unlink Orphan selection is gone because there are no more decoders that have not been discovered. And so we're going to assign stations, and I'm going to highlight the new decoder. And since the previous ones were stations 3 and 4, I can now come down here, press Select, and it takes me to the first open number, which in this case are 3 and 4. Once I assign 3, push the down arrow, push the plus button again, it assigns it 4. And essentially, we're done. We have reassigned the stations to the new decoder. So I hit the back button until I am out of that menu. Now, for other purposes, you can also reassign station numbers if needed in this particular location. So, for instance, if I wanted to change station 6, for instance, to station, say, 10, I'm going to come down, locate the decoder where station 6 is, and I can just change that to station 10. Again, hit the back button, and you've changed that. So in that same place, I can both remove and add new decoders and give them station numbers, but I can also change the station numbers of the existing decoders. I hope this video has been helpful. Thank you very much and have a great day.